In this video, we're going to walk through the process of creating and attaching a new virtual hard disk, VHD, to a virtual machine. While we are using Windows Server 2019 for this demonstration, keep in mind that these steps apply to any VM you are running in VirtualBox, regardless of the operating system. Starting here in the VirtualBox Manager, make sure your VM is selected. Click on Settings at the top, and then navigate to the Storage tab on the left-hand menu. Next to your storage controller, click the Add Hard Disk icon. From the prompt, select Create. This will launch the wizard. First, give your disk a descriptive name and set the storage size based on your requirements. Now, look for the File Type drop-down and select VHD, Virtual Hard Disk. Once that's set, click Finish. You'll now see your new disk sitting in the Not Attached list. Select it and click Choose. You should now see the VHD listed under your controller, which means it is now officially linked to the VM's hardware. With the hardware configured, go ahead and start your VM. Once the OS has loaded and you've logged in, we need to tell the software the disk is there. In Windows, click the search bar and type Disk Management. Select Create and format hard disk partitions. As you can see in the video, the tool automatically detects the newly attached disk, appearing as unallocated space and ready for setup. And that's it. You've successfully added storage to your VirtualBox VM. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe for more technical walkthroughs.